Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about going out for a field walk. Time check 5:43 a.m. I should be out of my house now, but I just want to make this video before I leave the house, because once I'm on field, the noise there, yesterday I said I was going to make a video, this particular video, but the noise there, I could not. Even I forgot my mic there, so my voice it has been back to back. February I did not upload at all because of field work, and this is March. I've not still uploaded, but I'm going to try and film some videos within maybe 15 minutes before I go out. Now, the essence of this particular video is to talk about storage this year, because while we are on field doing setup, I'm also trying to sell off some of the produce we stored last year. And with the current way that the market is going, I don't recommend you storing this year at all. Normally, when we want to do storage of produce, the prices don't used to be this high. So when it comes to storage, I've been storing now for over 6 years or 5 years. Yes, when it comes to storage, it's timing. And I've observed something: when it drops drastically, that is the best time to store. So it has dropped drastically for 2 years now, last 2 years and last year, and people stored and made their money. But this year, I think it happens like that. Every 2 years it dropped, then it picks up like that. This year is not the right time to store, because the prices of things are picking up. What do we mean by storage? Now, storage is simply buy from farmers, store excess farm produce, the one that is wasting, buy, store. Now, why is this not the best time? Palm trees are not really fruiting this year, if you've noticed, but we started having rainfall. It has rained at least 3 times now in my own location, so started having rainfall, but palm trees are not really fruiting well. Maybe before they will start fruiting, maybe it might be till the end of the year. So that is why this is not the right time for you to stop palm oil. If you've observed, the price of palm oil is like this. Some people will tell you, hey, it has dropped to 36,000, come and buy. No, this is not the prices we use in store. We store when these things are excess. Now these things are scarce. Palm oil now is currently going for 36,000, 37,000 as of yesterday when I went to make my research. And people will say, hey, it's going to go as high. No, food stuff will drop this year drastically. It's obvious, even from my 12 market. Yesterday in my 12 market, basket of tomatoes dropped drastically. So this, why am I bringing this video to the channel? This is not the right time for you to store. If you want to go into storage, this is not the right time for you to store any produce. And that's how to say is, as farmers, this is the time for you to be strategic with whatever you want to do this year. Okay, this is not the year to just put your money and turn your face, because in as much as food is dropping, price of farm input is on the high side. It is very expensive. Labor is expensive, management is expensive, so you need to be very strategic with the way you are going with farming this year, and also the way you are going to sell your produce. Like I said, now that the price of food in my 12 market dropped yesterday, imagine you are targeting my 12 as your audience, your target market for you to sell, and you take your produce after spending millions of naira. They're telling basket of tomato, for example, is 5,000 naira. What are you going to do? So this is the period for you to be very, very strategic. For people that are not available, this is not the right time for you to be doing short-term crops. I think I've talked about that countless times. This is not the right time to be doing short-term crops. Focus on your long-term crops and leave it and have your peace of mind, right? So that is the essence of this video. Let me quickly chip it in. I think I have extra 15 minutes to do whatever I want to do. Don't stop. This is for my community members, please, so that you will not carry me to the blog and say this is for my community members, and because we've been riding for a very long time, and when I see something that is not profitable to you people, I will definitely bring it to the channel. This is not the period to store all these food crops. Okay, if you want to store, let me give you an example of another thing that's going on. So last year I stored charcoal and I stored egusi. Normally I was meant to sell the charcoal in January. I think I said it here that we've gotten buyers, and with our conclusion, the profit margin was like 300,000 naira, right? That still stood. But the issue on ground now is, even the buyers are waiting. They're even starting to wait to see if the price of these things will drop before they buy. See, this is now a very, how do I put it? Everybody's looking for what will favor them. Because when I reached out to them 2 days ago, we want to clear the storage house. Let them come and pick it up and like release money. And they are coming. Then I observe that it's not that they don't want to buy it, because the prices of things are dropping. They are trying to see if the price of charcoal will drop so that they will renegotiate and that kind of thing and that kind of thing. Do you understand? So everybody is being careful. Though I'm already looking for another set of people that really needs it for it to go. Another thing is egusi. I also started egusi last year. We are meant to sell egusi this March, but I started looking for buyers in February. But let me tell you something I've also observed. People that are coming, because of the way the prices of food, beans has dropped, rice has dropped drastically. Small grain of rice last year was 88,000, 90,000. This year you see 65,000, you see 66,000. Sorry, because I've been on field, I've been having malaria and surgeries. You see 66,000. So people are trying to wait to see if this, okay, if egusi will drop, if this one will drop. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, that don't store now, okay? Because it's not even a period of time to store egusi and the price is trying to drop. Do you understand? So that is the essence of this particular video. If you are a farmer, start your land preparation, but note that you need to be strategic with whatever you're doing this year. You're not doing anything for free this year. Okay, that being said, let me quickly end this video and film 1 or 2 extra videos before I leave. I'm trying to check the time. This is 5:50. I'm trying to check the time before I go. See, Thursday, 6th of March. My workers will be waiting for me now. Okay, let me end this one. So I hope you got value. I hope you got the essence of the video. As usual, if you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed. And for those that have been messaging me, let me quickly chip it in this video. Please stop sending me hello. This is my business phone. I don't go out with this one. I go out with this one. Please stop messaging me hello, hi. Please, I've placed automated messages there. What do you want? Let me know, because once this phone enter my pocket on field, I will not reply anything. But when I get back and I'm checking, maybe I'm on my way home and I'm checking it, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I don't have, there's one that even sent me, how are you doing? Please, I am fine. I am very, as you can see, I am fine. Just tell me what you want so that I will quickly answer you and forget about it. This is not pride, but I've addressed this issue before and someone said you are pride. No, this is not pride. Another thing is, okay, I've deactivated the call side. But people that say, we cannot reach you, we cannot call you. It is because people call me at odd hours, and that is why I decided to remove the numbers from call. If you call the number on WhatsApp, fine, but on call you cannot get it, because some people call me 12, 1, 2, 3. The few hours I have to sleep, see my face, I've not slept good in this. I enter home late, I leave the house very early. So please, let us help each other this year. Thank you. If you want to reach out to me for plantain suckers, please send your messages. I'm going to attend to you. Thank you. Let me quickly film other videos and let's keep this going.